Alright, hello and good morning. This video is quite an exciting one because we are doing our very first project for an actual company called Reclaim. What they do is they take recycling, they're recycling merchants, so they take it, they prep it, and send it off to be recycled. So, the project that we're going to do is going to be made entirely out of rubbish, which is going to be exciting. Anyway, let's begin. Alright, this is the brief. So, what we have to do is we have to take 3 materials that Reclaim use and recycle that look like trash at the moment, and we've got to take that trash and make it into an attractive product that you would actually want to put in your home. Harder said than done, I think. So, we've got to experiment with those 3 materials of our choice, then we've got to choose one, this is where it gets interesting, and turn that one material of our choice into an acoustic wall tile. Now, acoustic wall tile are these things. Basically what you do is you put it in a room and it dampens the reverb of sound. Unlike this room does not have acoustic wall tiles in it, as you can hear by the reverb. Hello? So it's got to look nice, but it's also got to be functional. And it's got to be made out of trash. Damn, this is a hard brief. I'm just realizing that now. Anyway, I think we get to it. Goodbye. Okay, so for Reclaim, we had to pick 3 different materials that we're going to work with. The materials that I have decided to experiment with are, first of all, plastic bags, because good old paper, and then we've got good old fashioned cardboard, which is similar to newspaper, and I'm thinking of pulping it, so it'll probably act in a similar way, but sort of a thicker fiber. So, I'm going to take more of a industrial sort of approach to this, so what I'm going to make is a little press, because I'm thinking about pulping, but doing it in a compression press. It doesn't make much sense now, but it will very soon. So I'm gonna go out to the workshop, make a little experimental press, and I'll try pump out a whole lot of cues made of all these different materials. I'll try dyeing them, I'll try different glues, until I find the right material that I like. Then I will start making the actual acoustic tiles. Wish me luck. Here we go. Alright, this is attempt number 1. Average. Alrighty, so these are all the different paper slurries. That's egg carton, cardboard, copy paper, and newspaper. So, from here, I will now put them into la presse and hopefully make some cubes. It's been overnight. I put all the samples in the drying cupboard overnight, so now they're all dry and they're ready, and they turn out really well. That's the hand pressed newspaper, this is the cardboard, this is the egg container, and this is the copy paper. So the egg cartons have been my favourite material to work with thus far, so I have now got a lot of them. More. Let's get open. Okay, I've had a really cool idea, probably not a very original idea, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my wall tiles look like Lego blocks. Of course they're going to be slightly bigger and they're going to be made of egg cartons. So to do that, I'm going to have to make a press. And to make the press really well, I'm going to do it on the computer. To the computer. Yeah. So what I'm wanting to do now is I'm going to start designing the bricks that I want to create in CAD on the computer. So I'm working off the official Lego dimensions for the actual Lego brick. What I'll do is I'll take those dimensions and I'll scale them up till I have like biggish bricks, and I'll go with that. Alright, CAD for the next couple hours here, we go. now the next day and I am going out to get the press laser cut, and then I can assemble, and hopefully by the end of the day I'll have the press all made. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today is pressing day, so we've got everything sussed. First up, here is the press. I've calibrated it so we can do 9, to make 9 Lego bricks at once. So what will happen is you put your pulp in there, these will go on top, slide in, push the pulp down. Once you got this all in, bring it across to the press, add a ton, literally a ton of pressure, and finally, here is all my pulp. I'll literally be doing this probably for the rest of the week, and yeah, so I'm going to begin by doing my first run. This will definitely be very much a test run, see if everything's working smoothly, and if it doesn't, then I'll have to step back, correct the mold or whatever before I progress. But fingers crossed, it works first time. Okay, so problem. They haven't filled up the holes enough, so obviously I'm not getting nearly enough water out. So, I think I'm gonna have to drill some more holes in the actual press itself so more water can escape, and so I can get more water out. So this is the blank, the unsanded block, super rough, and these guys are the sanded blocks, super smooth, super fluffy, look very nice. Yeah. Alright, so now the next step is, so I've made all these, which is really nice, and they look good, but it wouldn't be Lego unless they could connect to each other, which at the moment they can't because they got no backing. So to fix that, I need to change my molds up slightly. So I'm gonna put this on top of my wooden presses that will press into there, and hopefully that will leave an indent in the bottom of the bricks, which will allow them to clip on to the studs of the other bricks below. Okay, this is it, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Yeah, that worked really, really well. Once cleaned up, they'll look really good. Saturday, the weekend, I am at home, but I still got a ton of work to do. So, here are all the blocks, but there's still a lot that I need to sand and finish. So, here's 2 hours and hours of sanding ahead of me. Yeah! Okay, it is now 10:30 at night, and I kid you not, I have been sanding all day. Golly. But results have been good. So I've done every single block. I think I must have well over 200 blocks here. I think I might go to bed now. Okay, this is it. I finally got the whole piece temporarily installed in my bedroom. And it looks fine. It looks mighty fine. Here we go. Ta-da! There it is. And you can take one of these ones, and it'll just clip on. Boom. And there we have it. The bricks are up. They're looking great. I'm really happy with this. I think one takeaway from this project is it's really all about learning what your materials can do, what they can't do, and then utilizing what they can do to the best of your ability. For example, I knew that with the 8 cartons they sort of had a almost a velvety sort of texture, so I knew that there would be high friction. So I knew that they could connect relatively easily, and they could do that, which is so cool. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed that project. If you want to see more, then you should definitely subscribe and give it all a thumbs up. And also click that little bell thing next to the subscribe button when it comes along, because that will give you notifications, which will make you happy, which makes me happy, and we all want to be happy. And yeah, until next time, adios!